Hi class, welcome back to Miss Martinez's third grade class. Today we're going to talk about the water cycle. What is the water cycle? The water cycle is the water recycling method our Earth uses to cycle through its water. The water cycle goes through three stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Can you guys guess which this one is? That's right, it's precipitation. Precipitation is the liquid and solid water particles that fall from clouds and reach the ground. These particles include drizzle, rain, snow, snow pellets, ice crystals, and hail. Can you guys guess what this one is? That's right, it's evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in the rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns it into vapor or steam. Can you guess what this one is? That's right, it's condensation. Condensation is the process in which gas changes into a liquid when it touches a cooler surface. Condensation is also how clouds form. Here's a more detailed description of the water cycle. The sun heats the Earth's water. The warmed water turns into vapor and rises in the air. As the water vapor rises, it cools down. The cooled water vapor forms tiny droplets of water. The tiny water droplets form clouds. In the clouds, the tiny water droplets join together. The water droplets become heavy, and the heavy droplets fall to the earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Here is our water cycle chart. As you can see, the water is heated up by the sun, causing evaporation. This then condenses into clouds, which then falls through precipitation. You'll be filling out a similar chart in your assignment for today. Here is your assignment due at the end of class on Monday. You will need construction paper, scissors, glue, and colors. What I want you to do is fold your construction paper and cut up your water cycle chart and glue it onto your construction paper booklets. I want you to cut out the sentence strips and glue the strips in the correct order below the chart. I would also like you to put the correct labels in the water cycle. When you're done with this, please turn it in to me at my desk. If you have any questions, feel free to talk to me. Thank you.